Good morning from Vinales in Cuba. This video is all about exploring the tobacco farming region of this beautiful part of Cuba. And it all starts right now. Let's go. Yes, and good morning once again from Vinales, Cuba. The sun has now risen, and I'm moving down from the main viewpoint here, which is on top of that little pink balcony you can see behind me, to the Hotel Yasmines pool, Hotel Yasmines, and they've got a really beautiful view over the valley. I'm just gonna squeeze through here. And yeah, the pool, of course, and then you've got this balcony, and the mogotes are what they're called, the karst limestone cliffs, and then of course the super fertile tobacco fields in the foreground, and just makes for a beautiful landscape image. So have a look at this. We got a nice angle from this side, a little bit different from where we just were, and the sunlight is just perfect at the moment, streaming across the valley. Have a look here as I try not to fall. Too much for this. Yeah, it's beautiful here. Yeah. I'm actually thinking Pano. Pedro, buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás? And good morning once again. We have landed in a tobacco farm in the heart of these karst limestone cliffs. Absolutely stunning views behind me here. And this is a rural tobacco farm that we were notified of by our local guide, Henry, and he knows the people who work here. And this is a straight up like tobacco harvesting location where he said they send 90% of their leaves to the government of Cuba, and they then create the cigars that they sell all over the world. And this is amazing. We're gonna see the whole process. We'll be here for like 2.5 hours, and they've got a few models for us. I say models, but they're local farmers that are I guess comfortable being on camera and having their photo taken, which is really lucky for us. Obviously we're paying for this privilege, but still the fact that they're okay with doing it is really quite incredible. And I mean, look at this. This is it. This is tobacco in Cuba, and the real thing, man, the real thing. So this is the harvest season at the moment for the tobacco plants, and what we're looking at here are some of the pine wood that they use to dry the tobacco in the barns, excuse me. This is obviously a big drying barn that we've been in for quite a while here this morning, and then it looks like they're actually building something else here, maybe a greenhouse, but lots happening at this farm. It's very busy. It's a work day today. It's during the week, and we just timed it absolutely perfectly because the workers are all here. You know, there's probably 24 people on this entire property, and they've just kind of given us free roam to do whatever we like, and everybody seems really friendly, which is kind of been the theme of Cuba. We've been so welcomed here. I mean, it's like everybody we meet has been really nice, and I think in part and parcel we've got a couple of locals that are traveling with us. We have a local guide and 2 local drivers, but also like just in general, even on the streets in Havana in the last video, if you haven't seen it, check it out, it was a good one. People have just been so friendly and welcoming, so really nice vibes here in Cuba, and this is just perfect start to our day. Really, it's still the morning, so yeah, tobacco in Cuba, pretty good. All right, it is now about 11:30 and getting quite hot. That's the theme of our time in Cuba. It's been like 33, 34 degrees every day, and this has just been an incredible experience at the tobacco farm. Everybody's got a ton of photos, probably took like 1,000 photos in 2 hours, you know how it is. So pretty unique experience, and definitely what I was hoping for with hidden photo tours. So this is very cool. It's something very unique, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the bit of the behind the scenes as part of this video, but we will continue our explorations of Vinales. We're going to a local ecological farm, and we're gonna have dinner and watch the sunset.
So welcome to the farm. So this is the first ecological farm in all Vinales. We have around 30 acres of land and around 48 kind of vegetables. So our style is from the farm to the table. So here we have many vegetables that we plant for season, included tomatoes, radish, cucumber, green beans, broccoli, so but depend the season. So here we have many animals around the garden, and the 80% that you go eat here come from the garden. So welcome to the Paradise Farm.
You say it in Spanish?
Bienvenidos al Paraíso.
Yes, guys, and welcome to the Finca Paraíso, the Paradise Farm here just outside of Vinales, up on the other side of one of the mogotes, which are the limestone karst mountains that you can see off in the background. And this is an ecological farm. So you just heard from Leticia a little bit of the backstory of all the vegetables that they have here. It's mostly a vegetable farm. They do have a few animals, a goat and possibly some pigs. I haven't seen them yet, but look at all the veggies here. These are all fresh tomatoes grown on terrazas, and the view of the tomatoes is pretty outstanding. So it's a really nice place to come up and relax. We are a good 2 hours before sunset, so we're gonna have a nice chill, easy dinner here before the sun sets, and then hopefully have some time, you know, with that really nice light to end this day in Vinales with just these stunning views off in the distance. So right now we are the only ones here. However, this restaurant is open to the public. I expect more people to come up as the sun is starting to set, but for right now it's essentially like a private restaurant, which is just absolutely amazing. Beautiful old kind of wooden shack. You can see it just up there, and right now everybody's in a great mood, and how can you not be in a place like this? So yes, la finca Paraíso. Paraíso? Yeah, I think so. I'm getting confused with my Spanish, but you get the idea. It's the Paradise Farm. And it is that time once again. The sun has just gone down behind the horizon here in Vinales from the ecological farm, and it's just been a beautiful evening. This place is something else. Very, very stunning location for landscape photography, for travel photography, and for Cuban culture. If that's something that you're looking forward to, then this is the place to be, because it is a huge highlight and very, very different from Havana. We spent 3 full days exploring hidden Havana and saw a lot of really, really cool interiors and buildings and unique hidden locations. But this here has been the opposite side of the coin. Rural Cuba, beautiful experience exploring the tobacco farm and some great viewpoints overlooking Vinales. So all in all, a pretty cool video. I hope you enjoyed it. And what better way to cap it off than a photo of a goat. So I'm testing my photography skills here and thinking that I've got a pretty nice one to end this video. It's of a resident goat here at the ecological farm and this nice little blue shack with the last sunlight of the dying day, and some nice, beautiful rolling hills, palm trees, the magotes, and Vinales in the background. So that's it for us here in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and stay with us because we are going to continue our tour of Cuba, heading next to Cienfuegos and then Trinidad. This guy wants to watch the video. See? Like and subscribe.